First, I'm gonna prime my skin with this super affordable primer from Crease, and it's very important to prime your skin before doing your makeup. I'm using Tarte Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Foundation in shade Tan Deep Sand, spreading it all over my face and then blending it with a sponge. Taking this concealer, I'm gonna conceal my under eyes, highlighting the chin, the tip of my nose, my forehead, and then I'm gonna blend them with the same sponge. And I'm gonna set my face with a good amount of loose powder because I tend to get oily throughout the day, even though I'm not going out after I film this video. I'm only using a brow pomade to frame my eyebrows and fill them. Next, I'm using this pink eyeshadow all over my eyelid, blending it outwards and cutting the half of my crease with a concealer. And setting the concealer with a white eyeshadow base and put white glitter on top of it. With the same pink eyeshadow, I'm gonna put it under my lower lash line. Using a mascara, I'm gonna blend my real lashes with the falsies and also put it on my lower lash. Now I'm contouring my face with the Tarte Pro Glow To Go contour palette under my cheekbones and my forehead. I'm using the Maybelline Flash Creator blush, and I'm gonna contour my nose with the same product that I use on my face. Set my face with a setting spray, and then I'm gonna put just a little bit amount of highlight because my eyes is crazy enough. For the last step, I'm gonna be using this lipstick from NYX Lingerie in shade 12, and I'm gonna overdraw my lips like how I usually do. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you guys on my next video. Bye!